Welcome to our engineering design process video. In this video, you will learn what the engineering design process is and what are the common series of steps engineers take in order to create a functional product. We will use a truck suspension system as an example and show how the ride quality can be improved by adding a new component to its assembly. If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to our channel for more upcoming videos. Crucial to solving any design problem begins by asking the right questions. Like, how can we improve the ride quality of a truck suspension system? One solution can be found by adding a shock absorber between the chassis and the wheel assembly to absorb or dampen the compression and rebound of the springs and suspension. In short, the engineering design process begins by defining a problem and completing background research on the problem. The second step will be the conceptual design. This is the phase of development where the engineering team and designers work to understand any design issues and find a solution. It is one of the earliest phases of development and usually involves creating a number of solutions so that the direction of the design can be slowly narrowed down. In the third step of the process, the 3D modeling of the product will start using computer-aided design or CAD. CAD is a type of computer software that is used to create 2D and 3D models and designs. CAD design drawings give valid and accurate details of the design. For instance, they provide precise dimensions of the shock absorber design, show the inner components of the product, and include all necessary drafts with technical details of the design. During the design refinement stage of the design process, all of the individual parts arrangements, dimensions, and surface characteristics are determined by the design engineer. Additionally, the materials are specified, production possibilities are evaluated, costs are estimated, and all drawings and other production documents are created. For instance, the orifice size for the rebound valve is determined, and the material selection for the shock absorber components is defined. It is important to note that the design is not finalized until all the engineering design processes are completed. Design verification is an essential step in the development of any product. In this step, the necessary engineering simulation models will be developed and run with high-performance computers to verify the intended function of a product and if it meets the engineering set criteria. Different types of computer-aided engineering simulation modeling will be conducted depending on the design, such as finite element analysis. Also, a significant number of design problems can be detected in this step. Before going into mass production, it is necessary to build a prototype of the design that mimics the finished product. Next, the prototype will go under the design validation phase to validate the product's intended function and requirement performance. For our example, the shock absorber must undergo an accelerated life testing or fatigue test to ensure its durability throughout the intended lifespan of the product. Meanwhile, special tests can be performed to ensure the dampening characteristics of the shock absorbers are up to par with the OEM and engineering standards. Once the required approvals are obtained from the design verification and validation steps, the product is ready for production. In this animation, you can see how the suspension system components get assembled on a truck chassis. The production planning and tool design consists of planning how to mass produce the product and which tools should be used in the manufacturing process. Tasks to complete in this step include the selection of the production processes, determining the sequence of operations, and selecting tools such as jigs, fixtures, metal cutting, and metal or plastic forming tools. Now let's show all the engineering design process steps in one picture. This process is highly iterative. Usually, steps 3 through 6 of the process often need to be repeated many times before a product design is finalized for production. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on our latest videos. Additionally, if you have any questions about engineering topics, please don't hesitate to reach out to us through our YouTube or Instagram channel. Goodbye.